Power of cola is more significant than you might think. Unless you read on, you'll never know. 1. If you get gum in your hair, put the hair in a bowl and pour cola over it. The gum will come off easily. 2. Combining cola with laundry detergent can eliminate any black mold. 3. Mix cola with dish soap, shake it well and spray it on kitchen grease. A quick wipe and it's as good as new. 4. Add washing powder to cola, shake well and spray it on yellow stains in the toilet. It immediately removes the smell and yellow stains. 5. Spray a mixture of white vinegar and cola on glass for a clean and bright finish. 6. Put a rusty wrench in a cup, pour cola over it and let it sit for half an hour. Wipe it with a towel, like the one your husband uses to wash his face, and you'll have a perfect wrench again. 7. If there's a lot of scale in your kettle, pour cola into it and heat it. After boiling, pour the water away and your kettle will be like new. 8. If there's a stubborn black grease stain at the bottom of your frying pan, add a centimeter of toothpaste, some table salt, baking soda, white vinegar, cola, and dish soap. Add water, stir and soak for 1,800 seconds. Rinse it clean with water, and it can last for another 100 years. Follow me for more handy life hacks.